Firstly, make sure you take notes and put comments below if you have any questions. In today's fast-paced world, the concept of making $5,000 per month through AI while still holding on to your day job is gaining popularity. The appeal of generating passive income through artificial intelligence lies in its ability to work tirelessly for you, even while you sleep. By leveraging AI technology, individuals can create streams of income that require minimal effort to maintain, allowing them to focus on their primary careers without sacrificing additional earnings. One of the key benefits of this approach is the ability to maintain financial stability by keeping your current job while simultaneously earning extra income through AI. This dual income strategy provides a safety net, ensuring that you have a steady source of revenue while exploring new opportunities for growth and financial success. Moreover, the potential financial freedom and flexibility that come with generating $5,000 per month using AI are immense. This method offers individuals the chance to achieve their financial goals, whether it's paying off debt, saving for the future, or simply enjoying a higher quality of life. By harnessing the power of AI, you can unlock a world of possibilities and pave the way towards a more secure and prosperous future. Step 1. Understanding the basics of AI for income generation. To embark on the journey of generating income through AI, it's crucial to grasp the fundamentals of this transformative technology. Various AI applications can be leveraged for income generation, including chatbots, automated trading systems, and data analysis tools. Chatbots can automate customer interactions, saving time and resources for businesses. Automated trading utilizes AI algorithms to make data-driven investment decisions, potentially yielding profitable returns. Data analysis tools help extract valuable insights from large datasets, enabling informed decision-making. Exploring online resources and courses is essential to enhance your understanding of AI and its applications for income generation. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and edX offer a plethora of courses on AI, machine learning, and data science. These resources can equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to leverage AI effectively for income generation. In today's digital economy, AI plays a pivotal role in driving innovation and efficiency across industries. Understanding the importance of AI in this landscape is crucial for individuals looking to capitalize on its potential for income generation. By familiarizing yourself with AI basics and its applications, you can position yourself for success in the evolving digital economy. Step 2. Identifying income opportunities with AI. Once you have a solid understanding of AI basics, the next step is to identify income-generating opportunities within the realm of artificial intelligence. Researching AI platforms and tools that offer such opportunities is essential. Platforms like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Google Cloud AI, and IBM Watson provide a range of AI services that can be monetized, such as image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. Assessing your skills and interests is crucial in matching them with AI income streams. Determine where your strengths lie, whether it's in programming, data analysis, or creative problem solving, and explore how these skills can be applied to AI projects that generate income. Consider delving into freelance AI projects or creating AI-powered products for sale. Freelancing allows you to leverage your AI expertise on a project basis, catering to clients' specific needs. Alternatively, developing AI-powered products, such as chatbots or predictive models, can open up passive income streams through sales or subscriptions. By exploring these avenues, you can tap into the vast potential of AI for income generation and pave the way for financial success. Step 3. Balancing AI income generation with day job. Balancing income generation through AI with your day job requires careful planning and effective time management. Creating a schedule that allocates dedicated time for AI projects outside of your regular job hours is essential. By setting aside specific blocks of time each day or week for AI-related tasks, you can make progress on income-generating projects without encroaching on your job responsibilities. Setting realistic income goals is crucial in achieving a harmonious balance between AI income generation and your day job. Determine how much you aim to earn through AI ventures and establish milestones to track your progress. By setting achievable goals, you can stay motivated and focused on leveraging AI for additional income without compromising your job performance. Prioritizing tasks effectively is key to managing both income streams efficiently. Identify high-priority tasks for your day job and AI projects, allocating time and resources accordingly. By striking a balance between your professional commitments and income-generating endeavors, you can maximize productivity and success in both areas. With strategic planning and a proactive approach, you can navigate the dual responsibilities of AI income generation and your day job with confidence and efficiency. Step 4. Implementing AI strategies for income growth. To drive income growth through AI, it's essential to implement strategic approaches that leverage the power of artificial intelligence effectively. Utilizing AI tools for automation and efficiency in income-generating tasks can streamline processes and increase productivity. Whether it's automating customer interactions with chatbots or using AI algorithms for data analysis, incorporating automation can save time and resources while enhancing the overall efficiency of your income-generating activities. Experimenting with different AI techniques is key to optimizing income generation. Explore various AI applications and algorithms to identify the most effective strategies for your specific goals. By testing and refining different approaches, you can fine-tune your AI strategies to maximize income potential and achieve sustainable growth. Tracking and analyzing the performance of your AI projects is crucial for continuous improvement. Monitor key metrics such as revenue generated, customer engagement, and conversion rates to assess the effectiveness of your AI strategies. By gathering insights from data analysis, you can make informed decisions to optimize your income-generating initiatives and drive long-term growth. With a strategic and data-driven approach, you can harness the full potential of AI for income growth and financial success. Step 5. Networking and collaborating in the AI community. Networking and collaborating within the AI community can significantly enhance your income-generating opportunities and professional growth. By actively engaging with like-minded individuals in AI forums, groups, and events, you can expand your network, share insights, and stay updated on the latest trends and opportunities in the field. Building connections within the AI community can open doors to potential collaborations, partnerships, and new income streams. Collaborating on AI projects with fellow professionals is a valuable way to leverage collective expertise and resources, leading to innovative solutions and expanded income opportunities. By working together on projects that align with your skills and interests, you can tap into new markets, enhance your capabilities, and achieve mutual success. Seeking mentorship from experienced AI professionals can provide invaluable guidance and support on your income-generating journey. Mentors can offer insights, advice, and industry knowledge to help you navigate challenges, make informed decisions, and accelerate your growth in the AI field. By fostering relationships with mentors, you can gain valuable perspectives and mentorship to propel your income generation efforts to new heights. Step 6. Managing finances and investments from AI income. Effectively managing the finances and investments stemming from your AI income is crucial for long-term financial success and growth. One key step is to create a separate account dedicated to your AI income to track earnings and expenses accurately. By segregating your AI earnings, you can monitor cash flow, assess profitability, and make informed financial decisions based on the performance of your income-generating activities. Consider reinvesting a portion of your AI profits into skill development or acquiring advanced AI tools and technologies. Investing back into your expertise and resources can enhance your capabilities, expand your income opportunities, and position you for continued success in the evolving AI landscape. Consulting with financial advisors can provide valuable insights and guidance on long-term investment strategies with your AI earnings. Financial experts can help you navigate investment options, assess risk tolerance, and develop a tailored investment plan that aligns with your financial goals and aspirations. By leveraging professional advice and expertise, you can make informed decisions to grow and safeguard your wealth effectively with the income generated from AI endeavors. The concept of generating income through AI while maintaining your day job offers a myriad of benefits and opportunities for financial growth. By leveraging AI technology for passive income streams, individuals can enjoy the flexibility of earning extra money without compromising their primary careers. The appeal of AI income generation lies in its potential to provide financial stability, freedom, and opportunities for growth. We encourage viewers to explore the vast array of AI opportunities available for additional income generation. Whether through freelance projects, AI-powered products, or investment in AI tools, there are numerous avenues to tap into the potential of artificial intelligence for financial success. Take action today by subscribing for more AI income tips and strategies to further enhance your income-generating capabilities. By staying informed and proactive in exploring AI opportunities, you can unlock the full potential of AI for income growth and financial prosperity. Start your journey towards a more secure and prosperous future with AI income generation today. If you would like to know more about making money online, click on our free training video down below. This video has changed the lives of many students, and you could be next.